Hey guys, before we start, make sure you have subscribed and I promise this one going to make your YouTube life smoother. Ever notice your video quality keeps switching even when you set it manually? Let's fix this one. Okay, so first of all, open your YouTube app and now just tap on your profile icon and now go to your settings option on the top right corner. Just click here and now you will see an option after just scrolling video quality preferences. Just tap on here and now you will see two options here. Mine is already enabled for high picture quality. Just tap on here and now it will be already set it on automatic or recommended. Just click on the high picture quality for both of them. If you want to save your data, do not change your video quality from mobile networks. Just make it to recommended and now change your video quality on Wi-Fi to higher picture quality, and that's it. And now just go back and this setting will be saved forever. That's it. No more blurry videos or wasted data. If this helped, hit like and subscribe for more quick tutorials on the YouTube tweaks, and I will see you in the next one. Bye bye.